Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing our GCSE exam preparation and we're going through a GCSE Foundation calculator paper, trying to see how much we can do without using a calculator. So we're to question 15 here. We have to make n the subject of the formula when it's m equal to n squared plus 3. So the first thing we need to do is subtract 3 on both sides, m minus 3 equals n squared, and using inverse operations, balance method, or undoing that plus 3, we've subtracted 3 on both sides. And now, to get rid of that square term, we're going to take the square root. M minus 3 equal to n. Okay, so n is now the subject. If we're taking the square root, probably need plus and minus. Because if we squared either of those, we should get to n squared. That should give us 2 marks there. Now we're going to simplify 5m squared times 3m to the 4. I'll do the numbers first. 5 times 3 is 15. Index laws. M squared times m to the 4. When we multiply those powers, exponents, we add them. So it's m to the 2 plus 4, m to the 6. And you could check that by writing m out in full, m squared out in full, and m to the 4 out in full, and end up with m to the 6. Now we're going to expand and simplify. So that's a 2-mark question. So there's 2 steps we need to do. Now if you know your FOIL method or smiley or everything in one term or one bracket but everything in the other, x times x is x squared, x times minus 5 is minus 5x, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. So we've got 4 terms. That's expanding. Now we've got to simplify. There's no other x squared term. There's no other constant. But we can simplify those and collect those like terms. Minus 5x plus 3x will be minus 2x. And that's what we expect. We've got different signs there, so expect a negative there. And the larger is negative, so expect a negative answer there. So that should give us 2 marks there. So we've managed to rearrange the subject of the formula, combine some indices, and expand double brackets. That should give us 5 marks. We managed to do that in under 5 minutes and without a calculator. So if you've got a calculator paper, do look out for some algebra where you can do quite a lot, get quite a good amount of marks without using a calculator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and continue watching this exam series.